video. You've got one in your hand.
I don't know how to cut a tree down. What if it just falls down? Ha! If it falls down, you can have it. I'll take it. Wow, both the same. Hey kid, you got a sister or something with yellow hair? She stole a Christmas tree from our yard.
Alex, stop. You can't pull them off or putting them on, silly.
Alex, oh, not again.
Baby, our Christmas tree off. What are you standing on our porch for? Go home. I want our tree back. I'll do this one. Now get off our porch or I'll call the dog. Please, 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 please. Thanks. I'll make you two white.
And they're silver.
Silver?
Never fear concerned people. These are plastic. Alex, you gotta take the string.
Why? Are you starting to feel guilty? No. He said I could have the tree if it fell over. I don't feel guilty at all. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve.
Alex, leave it there.
Really feel guilty.
No, Alex, no, no, no.
Stop.
Leave him on the tree, buddy.